Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will guide you through transferring your Google Play Store balance to a PayPal account. While Google doesn't allow direct transfers, I'll show you the workaround that actually works. First, open the Google Play Store app and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Help and Feedback from the menu. Since there's no direct transfer option, we'll need to contact Google support. Scroll down and select Contact Us. When prompted to describe your issue, choose Google Play Balance as the category, then select Issue with Play Balance. Continue through the prompts by clicking Next Step twice. Now scroll down and tap on the Next Step button. Now here, tap on the chat box. On the community page, you'll need to clearly explain your request. Choose these exact categories: Google Play Purchases and Payments, and specify your device platform. In your message, politely request to transfer your balance to PayPal due to state your reason, perhaps unused funds or account closure. After submitting, Google's team will review your case. This process typically takes 3 to 5 business days. Important note: success isn't guaranteed as Google's policies are strict, but this method gives you the best chance. If approved, they'll issue a refund to your original payment method, which you can then transfer to PayPal. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.